Good morning, my dear students. I am Fareha Banu. I welcome you all in my GK class. Today, we are going to start our chapter 5, Herbal Remedies. In this chapter, we will study about different type of herbs and their remedies. But before going to start this chapter, I want to discuss you about the previous homework. In the previous video, we were discuss about insects, and at last I have given you some homework. Your questions was answer these questions. Question number 1, how do we get silk? Question number 2, what is cocoon? Question number 3, what is the use of cocoon? Question number 4, name the stinging insect. And second one is filling the blanks with suitable words. Insects have usually dash legs. Insects have dash pair of wings. Third one, butterflies are attracted to dash flowers. Fourth one, the silk thread is obtained from dash. And the last question, fifth one, dash and dash are stinging insects. Now, my dear students, it's time for your answer of your previous homework. Your first answer is, we get silk from silk moths. Silk moths live and grow on mulberry leaves. Mulberry leaves. A liquid is secreted from the body of silk moths, which changes into fine thread. Silk moth weaves a cover around itself with this thread. This cover is called cocoon. These cocoons are collected and silk thread is obtained from it. This is your answer first. Now the answer second. The cover weaved by silk moths around itself is called cocoon. What is cocoon? The cover weaved by silk moths around itself is called cocoon. Now answer 3. From where we get cocoon? We get silk thread from cocoon prepared by silk moths. Your question 3 is, what is the use of cocoon? Your answer is, we get silk thread from cocoon prepared by silk moths. Question number 4, name the stinging insect. Your answer is, honeybee and wasp are some stinging insects. Now, second one, filling the blanks with suitable words. Your question is, insects have usually how many legs? 6 legs. Second one, insects have dash pair of wings. How many pair of wings? 2 pair of wings. Question 3, butterflies are attracted to dash flower, fresh flowers. Question 4, the silk thread is obtained from cocoon. The silk thread is obtained from cocoon. Now the last question is, dash and dash are stinging insect. Your answer is, wasp and honeybees are stinging insects. Now these are your homework. Now we are going to start our chapter 5, Herbal Remedies. My dear students, in this chapter we will discuss about only 3 herbs. First one is mint, second turmeric, and third one is basil. Before going through these herbs, let's start our chapter. Herbal remedies are highly popular ways of treating diseases. Such treatments are collectively called herbalism. It uses plants and their product for the treatment of various ailments. Here, picture shown on your screen. You can see. Now, one by one, we will read the following statement and we will name that herbs. First one is an aromatic herb used to treat stomach ache and flavor drinks and beverages. First one is mint. You can easily recognize by seeing the picture. We will read few points for mint. Mint, headache, skin irritation, nausea, pain, diarrhea and bloating are some of the many symptoms that mint alleviates. It also helps with digestion and chest congestion. Some studies suggested that it has antibacterial and antiviral properties. My dear students, clues are given on your screen. You already read about mint, and on screen one white box is shown. You have to write their correct answer option. You have to write there B. Your answer is B. B is mint. Mint is an aromatic herb used to treat stomach ache and flavor drinks and beverages. Now, second one shown on your picture number 2. An important herb used for improving blood flows and treating cuts and burns. You can easily recognize by showing the picture. The picture is shown on your screen. Second one is turmeric. Second one is turmeric. You have to write there A. You can see on the clue given there your answer. Your answer is turmeric. Your option is A. Now we are going to read about turmeric. For thousands of years, Indians have used turmeric as a spice and medicinal herb. Science now confirms that the health benefits of this plant, and studies show that turmeric prevents heart diseases, cancer, metabolic syndrome, Alzheimer's, and various degenerative conditions. It also improves the body's ability to digest fats, reduce bloating, eases arthritis, and treats skin conditions like psoriasis, acne, and eczema. The mild ingredients adds a colorful yellow hue to foods and goes especially well with Middle Eastern and Indian recipe. This is about turmeric. Now picture number 3 is shown on your screen. This is called basil. A wonderful herb that helps in treating high cholesterol and guards against severe cough and cold. This is called basil. You have to write there inside the box, white box is shown on your screen. You have to write C. Now know about basil. Basil is a common herb used to garnish salads, pasta, and many other meals. to add delicious flavor. Thanks to the vitamins and minerals in basil, such as vitamin K and iron, this herb is helpful for combating common ailments. For example, the magnesium in basil helps metabolize different compounds in your body. Holy basil, commonly referred to as tulsi, is a specific species of basil that originate from India. It is considered a sacred plant that is used in teas, ointments and more to help treat a variety of ailments like fever and diabetes. This species has a much stronger taste than common basil. Let's see basil health benefits. It reduces stress, strong antibacterial properties, rich source of antioxidant. It prevents some harmful effect of aging. It reduces inflammation and swelling, strengthens bones and liver, boosts immunity, boosts metabolism, improves digestion. Its common uses are sprinkle as a garnish for dishes, includes as ingredients for smoothies. My dear students, in this video we discuss about 3 herbs. First one, mint. Second, turmeric. Third, basil. Now it's time for your homework. Homework is shown on your screen. Your homework is answer these questions. Question number 1 is, what means herbal remedies? Question 2, what are the different types of herbal medicine? Question 3, how is herbal medicine used? Question 4, what herbs cure diseases? What herbs cure diseases? My dear students, this is your homework. I hope you all will do your homework at your home, and you will also read your chapter once again. Read your chapter once again and do your homework. Thank you so much. God bless you.